Not the first option.
Nope. Edit one.
Can you play it one more time? This is me drinking in drag makeup so that I don't get it all over myself.
There you go! Good one.
Mr. Gay Pride.
I would say.
Five, four.
Paulina after a drag show taking off their shirt. Sweat.
Zeno, what was that a sound of?
Me wetting my pants trying to figure out which bathroom to go in at the drag show.
Judges, who's going to take home the game and take home the sash for the rest of the show?
I think this goes to Paulina.
And I'm just saying, are you ready? Here you go.
Keep it PG on Spazzano and Sandy. Mr. Gay Pride, sorry, take off that sash right now.
Take it off.
Sorry.
Take it off.
Take
it off.
Come on.
PG, right?
It's the only time I'm going to get to wear it. Give it.